Hey YouTube, ID.Furkan here, and today I'm going to show you how you can go through a car wash. So which things you need to disable or enable to go through the car wash without any errors or issues, etc. From the top of my head, it's four steps you need to do, and then you are just ready to roll. So, step 1. Actually, step 0. Let me show you what is step 0. Step 0 is a dirty car. Like here, like there. Some Scheiße. So, it's dirty, you know? Very, very dirty. So, we have a step 0 car. It's a dirty car. And then the things you need to do are the following. 1. If you have a rain sensor and you set your wipers on automatic, this thing here, just put it on off. Normally you will set it on 1 below, on intermediate. Just set it off. Done. Next step. Press your parking menu. Of course you need to start your car, enable your car, and then press your parking menu. And there will be some sound. And of course you can disable that sound by pressing this. So if you go backwards, you can just disable it, or forwards, you can disable it. So it will be both be disabled. So that's fine. So if you go straight, disable it once and it will be okay, and it will be silenced. That's step 2. Step 3. Put your mirrors inside. Fold your mirrors. So if I don't press this, just turn the knob till you hit this spot right there, and you will see it will just fold in, and then you have some less white car, I would say. Another ID.4, which is the first edition, so that's great. And as last, just before you roll through the car wash, set your car on neutral. Why? If you put it on neutral, the car will roll. If you don't, the car will drive further if you have auto hold disabled, or if you have it enabled, it will brake, and you don't want to do that. So you put it on neutral, and it will say this rollaway protection will be deactivated, and that is fine. And I was rolling forward, so I don't like it. So we put it on parking mode again, and that is fine. So that were the 4 steps you need to do before you are heading to a car wash. And so luckily we are at a car wash. So let's go through it. And away we go. Fine. then you press the brake and go forward. So that is the way you do it. And that was the car wash with the ID.4. So let's see what the result is. Let's see this bling bling car. So it's pretty windy outside, sorry about the wind. But yeah, it's so much better. And you see the colors also pop better up with this color, I would say. This gray shines so good in the light, but when it's smudgy, it's not that great, you know. But when it's shiny, holy fuck, that's great. And you look around if there's any damage. No damage at all. And then it's time to end the show. So just one more clean look. Awesome, right? Nice. So thanks for watching, and then I will see you again next video. Later.